Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Navin. In this video, we will be discussing about intraday stocks to trade tomorrow, and the date will be 26th August 2021. So let's get into the video. The first stock I have picked to trade tomorrow is Marico Limited. Marico Limited, if you observe the price action in daily time frame, you see that this is the previous swing point, right? So this is the previous swing point, and currently the stock is at the same level. It is about to break this previous swing point, right? So let me mark that level. This is the previous swing point, but the hurdle is we have buyers at this point, huge buyers at this point, right? So let me go to the 15 minutes time frame and analyze the stock. You see that last 15 minutes candle is a bullish candle. If you check with the volume, we got the by comparing with last three candles, the buy candle is very huge. Like it has gotten good volume on the buy side, right? So in tomorrow's trading session, if you find this stock playing above this swing point, the level is around 514. If you find the stock playing above 514, you can trade this on the buy side. After the breakout of this level, do wait for the pullback, and with a good candlestick confirmation, you can initiate a buy trade. In case of breakdown below 510, you can initiate a sell trade too. I am seeing both the opportunities in this stock, and majority I am looking on the sell side because it is about to break the previous swing point. So in case of breakout above this 514 level, your take profit will be around this level. You're not supposed to wait till this level. You need to get out before it reaches that level. Your take profit should be at 523. In case if we get any buy opportunity after the breakout of this 514 level, if we get any buy opportunity, we can trade this on the buy side. Our stop loss will be below 514 and our take profit should be at 523. So in case of breakdown below 510, you can initiate a sell trade too. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame. In case of breakdown below this level, you see that the buyers were taken off by the sellers, right? So we can see a huge sell side momentum. So we can expect a fall till this level 506. First target will be at 506 and the next target will be at this swing point around 500. Let's take the round number of 500. Simple analysis. In daily time frame, this stock is about to break its previous swing point. In case of breakdown below 510, we can if 15 minutes candle closes below 510, we can initiate a sell trade. Our stop loss will be above 510 and our first take profit will be at 505 and our next take profit will be at 500. In case of let me go to the 15 minutes candle. In case of breakout above 514, we can trade this on the buy side too. Our stop loss will be below 514. Let's take it as the 510 as the stop loss and our take profit will be at 523. The next stock is Godrej Industries. Godrej Industries, this is the support trend line where the stock has taken the support for the 3 times. Already I have marked the level, as you can see here. See, this is the support level. These are the support levels which I have already marked. So currently the stock has given breakdown below this support level. If you check the momentum of previous 2 days, including today's day, 25th and 24th momentum, see the momentum is almost the same. The high and low are almost the same. Today's high is 559.50. Yesterday's high was 559.75. 25% difference. Today's low is 540.85 and previous day low is 541. Almost 25% difference between today's and previous day trading range, right? So in tomorrow's trading session, if we find the stock trading below 540, trading below 540 level, we can trade this on the sell side. So I am expecting a move something like this. After the breakdown, do wait for the pullback. With the good candlestick confirmation, you can initiate a sell trade. Your first take profit will be at 534. In case of breakdown below 534, it might come till 520 in the upcoming days, not in the tomorrow's trading session. We can hold this for the swing trade, and our ultimate target will be at 520. Simple analysis. Support has given breakdown below. The stock has given breakdown below support level in 15 minutes time frame. Previous day low and today's low is almost the same. It is around 540. In case of breakdown below 540, do wait for the pullback. With the good candlestick confirmation, we can trade this on the sell side. Our stop loss will be above 540. Safe stop loss will be at 545. The next stock is Amara Raja Battery. Amara Raja Battery, the strategy behind this is almost the same with the Marico, what we have discussed in Marico. See, this is the huge bearish candle, right? This is the huge bearish candle. The buyers came into force, but today again the sellers came into force. And currently the sellers are dominating in this stock. So let me go to the 1 hour time frame. See, this is the low point which is tested for the third time today. Okay. In 15 minutes time frame, you see that in the end of the day we have a huge bearish volume. We got the bearish momentum, fall in the price and rise in the volume, which is good sign for to trade on the sell side. So in tomorrow's trading session, sell at 674. Let's take the round number of 674. Sell at 674. Your stop loss should be at this level, this swing point, 678, and your take profit should be at 665. Why 665 is the target? Because we have a previous swing point at that level. See, from this point we got the bullish momentum, right? So sell at 674, stop loss will be 678, and your take profit will be at 665. First take profit will be 665. In case of breakdown below 665, we can expect another big fall. The next stock is Info Edge. This is daily time frame chart. As you can see, from this level we got the sell point. Huge sellers came into force. Currently the stock is at the same level, and we got an shooting star candle right at that resistance point, right? So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Got this. We got this support level now. Currently, previously it was a resistance. Though it has given breakout above this level, this will act as a support now. Right? Resistance level. It turned to support. So in tomorrow's trading session, let me go to the 15 minutes time frame. In tomorrow's trading session, if you find any 15 minutes candle closing below this level, any 15 minutes candle closing below this 570 level, let me mark the level 2. Closing below 5750 level, we can initiate a sell trade. Our stop loss will be above this 5750 level, and our take profit should be at this resistance, this support trend line, which comes around this level, 5625 level. So sell below 5750, stop loss should be above 5750, and our take profit should be at 5625. Simple analysis. Previously from this point the price has fallen. Currently the price is at the same level, so we can expect a fall from this point. So in 15 minutes time frame, we have a minor support at this level around 5750 level. In case of breakdown below 5750, we can initiate a sell trade. Our stop loss will be above 5750, and our first take profit will be at 5625 level. So those are the 4 stocks which I have picked to trade tomorrow. Hope you guys like the analysis behind those stocks. If you guys like the analysis, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.